Hello everyone, Mr. Terminal here. So in the last video we created a pod with an attached volume, and in this video we will be looking into what that actually does practically. Let the pod get ready. So when the pod is running, if you can exec into it, and yeah, here go inside the Redis folder. This is where we are, and here we can create a file with some data. Just make sure. So we have the file, and what we want to do is let's kill the process first. This is needed so we can see our process ID. And here Redis is process ID 1. Basically, if this service dies, the container fails and drops, and the memory attached to that container, the storage attached to that container will be lost. So that's what we are intentionally doing. Kill the process ID 1. And we exited the container because it's dead. Of course the pod is running. It will restart. Once that's done, if you exec again, let me go to the top of the screen. And go to the Redis folder, you will still find your txt because it is attached to an external volume. So that's how volume works. Thanks for watching.